Welcome back, guys. In today's video, I'm gonna be breaking down how I was able to make $42,000 trading Forex in just 24 hours. Literally less than 24 hours, actually. It took one trading day. 3 Forex pairs, 3 different sessions, back to back to back. How I did it, how it's done, and how you can do it too is what you're gonna see in this video. I'm also gonna break down, show you guys it was a live account, show you guys the withdrawal, and show all the proof, everything you need to see. We're gonna get active. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys for coming back. Let's get right into this video right now. You didn't hit the like button yet. I can't even start the video if you don't hit the like button. So hit the like button. Like button hit, you scroll down, hit it. All right, cool, we can start the video, let's go. Welcome back to the channel, man. I really just want to hop into this. I don't want to waste no time. Before we get into the actual chart work or how I was able to do this, I'm going to show you guys the history tab, proof that it's a live account, and where the account is now. There's no demo trading here. 99% of traders on YouTube, they demo trade, they fake trade, and they are scamming people. I hate to say it, but it's true. I'm here to show you guys I'm legit. Everything I do is legit. I prove it. I show the numbers. It's all real. It's all live. So I'm just saying, if you're going to trust anybody, you better trust your boy Mamba. All right, let me go ahead and hit screen record on this because I want to show you guys close up kind of where the account's at and all that good stuff. If you guys look at the top of this actual page, you're gonna see GBP/JPY, 50 standards traded, $25,000 profit, okay? Under that, we have NAS 100, $16,000 profit, and then we have CAD/JPY, $4,799 in profit. You really gotta look at the other stuff. Obviously, there's still a lot of wins and I made a lot of money. Obviously, you see the 360K profit, withdrawal of 200K with a balance of 163,000, meaning that we've made 360K just in the span of about 3 weeks on this account. So anyways, that's neither here or there. What I wanna show you guys is, yes, this is a real account. As you can see, pro account, live account, all legit. You see the history tab, you see the withdrawal. Where's the withdrawal? I think it's right there. Boom. You see the withdrawal, you see everything, man. And you see that we don't play games. We really do this shit. Now again, understand one thing. Trading is not easy. It takes time. You're not gonna make $200,000 in 1 week, like your first week or anything. Is it possible? Of course. You can compound your account, get a funded account, do all these cool things, but it's not something that's gonna happen overnight, so don't expect that, okay? My results are not for everybody. Not everybody's gonna get those results. It's very hard to do. With that being said, man, I wanna actually get into the chart, show you guys what I did, how I did it, all that good stuff, and stop talking. Let's get into the charts. All right, so first trade I wanna go over is the GBP/JPY way, man. We ended up catching about $25,000 on this trade. Very simple setup, man. It's really not complicated. The way I trade is very, very simple. As you guys can see, first thing I want to do is find where is market structure. Are we going bullish or are we going bearish, right? There's only 2 things it could be doing, right? Well, really, there's 3 things it could be doing. Bullish market structure, okay? There's bearish market structure, and there's, you know, for example, consolidation. There's only a couple different things that you're ever really going to see. So with that being said, man, we know for a fact we are in bullish market structure in this area because we created higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So we know we're going up, right? We already have confirmations that we're doing bullish market structure. Now, all I need to see is a simple breakout pattern, whether it's support and resistance or it's a trend line break. Either way, it's a breakout. I don't care what style of breakout it is a breakout trade. As you guys can see, we first have resistance in this zone with a nice breakout. Price came back and retested, but I wanted to see more. I wanted to see a nice bullish candle, no bearish candles, none of that stuff. I want to see a nice bullish move, okay? I ended up taking this buy position right on this candle here. As you guys can see, not only did we break through this resistance here in this bullish market structure, but we actually created another resistance here, and that was broken as well. So once I saw that break, man, I'm taking my buys. I'm going hard, 50 standards, 50 lots. We're going in deep. and we let the rest play out, man. We did come very close to getting stopped out. Thankfully, if you have a good broker like the one I use, link in the description, you're not getting stopped out there unless it hits your stop loss. So beautiful trade, man. This trade ended up hitting take profit rather quickly, I'd say. It only took like, oh, actually not super quick, but we are scalpers, so it's a long time for a scalper. But if you're a day trader, this is really fast, man. This is happening in a couple hours, so a few hours. Great trade, great setup. GJ complete, man. That's $25,000. Session number 1, London session, okay? One thing I want to mention to you guys, only trade these pairs during their required sessions. Biggest tip of the day. GJ is very good during London session. That's why I'm trading it during London session. Okay, you guys need help finding out what's London session, what's New York session, what's Tokyo session. Well, guess what, guys? You can simply go to indicators and search up kill zone. Oscar's VS. Oscar VS. Click this one right here, and guess what? You now have kill zones activated. This is going to tell you what zone you're in. London session started right here. Guess what the red is? Tokyo session. That's when we're going to trade CAD JPY. I talk about this in another video. It's the indicator video. Okay, CAD JPY. Guess what this one right here is when it starts to turn gray? New York session. It tells you, it shows you. This is the best indicator I've ever used in my entire life. It's free. I'm showing you guys it, man. So go click it, download it, and trust me when I say you guys are going to really have a lot better time trading using this indicator strategy, because it's going to show you what session you're in. Are you in New York? Are you in London? Or are you in Tokyo session? And I'm going to tell you guys what pairs to trade in those sessions, and I'm showing you the proof. So do it. Just trust me, listen to me, practice it, and you're going to thank me later. Trust me. Now, GJ during London session, that's our first trade. We woke up late that night, 12 o'clock at night, my time, took this trade, made our 25K. Now, we're going to go to sleep. We're going to wake up around 7 a.m. my time, right? 7 a.m. my time is when London session starts. Well, it actually starts at 5 a.m., but I like to give it some time to kind of move, do its thing. And we're going to trade NASDAQ, right? NAS 100 is just 100 stocks based in the US. US moves the most during New York session. That's why we're going to be trading it only during New York session. And we're going to look for the same breakout strategy to occur. It's that simple, man. Let's go to it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow at about 7 a.m. All right, moving on, guys. We're looking at our NASDAQ trade. It's currently, in here about 7 or 8 a.m. my time, and we're starting to look at the charts. We're going into it, see what's going on, and as time's going on and progressing, we're seeing that, hey, we are in a bearish market structure. I told you guys earlier, there's 3 different types of markets. This one is now bearish. We have bearish market structures. We're creating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, meaning, okay, if we really want to, kind of pinpoint where we are, if we are currently at, a lower low, lower high scenario, we can guesstimate that price is going to do something like this, right? Boom, 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 right? That's kind of what we think is going to happen, and that's kind of where the whole market structure thing comes from, is predicting that we're going to continue moving the way we already have. So we have confluence that we're going down, right? We see the market structure, taking our sell positions. We really can't take our sell position until we see a break. We need a break of a support, a resistance, or a trend line break. Overall, the trend is very, very bearish. Market structure is bearish, but we see a quick little reversal, right? We see a little reversal trend, like a small one, but it's still a reversal trend. We're reversing right here, creating what looks to be bullish market structure. But remember one thing, this is not bullish market structure if it doesn't break those previous highs. Price would have to come up here and break these highs to then become bullish market structure. Okay, with that being said, man, I just want to see a break of this trend line. If I see a break of this trend line, I'm getting in live. I'm not waiting for the candle to close. As this starts to break, I'm getting in live. That's what we did, man. As this came down, we took our sell position right around here, and we pretty much held. We wanted to hold down into this zone. I'll show you exactly what happened. But as you guys can see, price really was looking really good. And then I moved my stops to right about here, right? I had my stop loss moved into profit. Right here, this would have been about $16,000, $17,000 in profit, as you guys saw I got, and it came back. It came back, and I just closed out because just unfortunate. And then it came back down again, so we could have caught a lot more pips. Ended up closing maybe a little bit too early, and maybe that happens to you. It's gonna happen to you. It's common, but unfortunately, we move on. It's a new day. It's a new trade. Just forget about yesterday, even if it was a loss. Forget about it. It's a new day, so that's what we do. Anyways, man, this is trade number 2. This is $16,000, $17,000 right here on this trade. we're now going to move on to our very last and final trade during Tokyo session. And remember, if you got the kill zones, if you had the sessions on, you're going to know you're in New York session. It's simple as that, man. We're getting ready to leave New York session, but still, we are in New York session, so it's going to move nicely. And it did, okay? Now, let's go ahead and go on to Tokyo session. Now, for our last and final trade, we are now looking at CAD JPY during Tokyo session. Again, CAD JPY during Tokyo, GJ during London, NASDAQ during New York session. Follow what I'm telling you. Look for breakouts only during those sessions. You're gonna see just wonders changed to your trading game. It's gonna make a huge difference if you just listen to what I'm telling you and practice it. You'll see it, back test it. It's legit and it works, okay? Now, here we are on CAD JPY, right? We are in a really weird market, right? This is very, we started off bullish, but then we had really weird movements here. We ended up going into consolidation here. Okay, when you see price going to consolidation, you can actually take breakouts, especially if you're trading the right session. You can trade breakouts out of consolidation. It doesn't have to be support or resistance, even though in this case it still is support. You can break out of consolidation and take those trades. Okay, that's what we did here, man. We saw we were consolidating in this zone. Now, if price can break out of this consolidation, I'm gonna take that trade and move with the markets. Just trade what you see. Trade the markets for what they are. There's no reason to complicate things, okay? Price started to close out of this little bit of a support zone. Put this in replay mode to show you guys the exact zone, okay? Sorry, that's actually too early, but right around here, we took our short position. Now let me tell you why I took my short position here. Not only are we actually closing with a nice bearish candle in that support zone, you don't always have to break through the support zone completely, but show a very nice bearish candle closing in it. Okay, do you get what I'm saying? When this candle closed inside of it, that's when I'm taking my short position. As you guys can see, price did end up going down. It took a minute, but it did go down pretty fast after this little bit of sluggish candles. We moved hard and fast, man. We only caught 13 pips, but still, at 50 standards, we still ended up making about, I think it was what, $6,000 or $7,000? I'll take it. I mean, $6,000 or $7,000 pays the bills, gets me some groceries. Remember, I got 6 kids, so you figure one kid costs about $1,000 a month. This just paid for 6 kids. There it is. But yeah, guys, again, we'll go ahead and turn this on just to show you guys the kill zones. As you can see, this is a little early. I'm taking this a little bit before Tokyo session, but it's still, we're going right into Tokyo session. You're gonna notice a lot of these trades will happen just before the session starts. But the thing is, as long as you're close to that session starting, you're still gonna have the same movements. Doesn't have to be perfect. Sometimes you're gonna go deeper into the session. Sometimes you go right before the session. Still okay. Sessions are not always perfect. As long as you're around that session, you'll see the most movement, just like we did today. Now look, guys, I know it's hard to believe. It's hard to believe that you can actually make this much money. It can really be this simple, and anybody can do it, right? It's hard to believe that, but it really is true. Is it gonna take hard work, dedication, and perseverance? Of course it is. You're not just gonna go out here and just fucking go crazy and make millions of dollars a year. It's not gonna happen. You might start by only making 5 grand a month, 2 grand a month, 20 grand a month. It's gonna slowly go up, but I mean, at the end of the day, you go at your own pace, practice, learn. The biggest tip that I can give you guys sitting at home watching this video right now, do not rush the process. I sucked for 3 fucking years straight. 3 years I sucked, I was terrible. $0 to my goddamn name. Negative trades, losing so much money for 3 fucking years. And it sucked. But I stayed strong, I worked hard, and I got through it. And now I'm in a position where I can say, hey, do I want to go buy a freaking Rolls Royce tomorrow? Yeah, I do, and I probably will because I just want to, because I have the money and I know I'm going to continue to have the money. But guess what? It took time. It wasn't easy. 3 years of failing, guys. It's not something easy, man. If you guys enjoy this and you want more videos like this, let me know. I'm very active now. I'm going crazy with the videos. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Follow me on my Instagram, MobFX Trading. Don't get scammed. There's a lot of fake freaking traders out there pretending to be me. MobFX Trading and Trading MobFX. All these different usernames. They're not me. I have one Instagram, and that's it. Okay? I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. God. I want you guys to succeed so bad, bro. Like, I'm gonna just keep pushing out content and shit. It's just ridiculous. Oh God, I'm tired. Oh, it's a wrap.